Did you guys know one of the hardest things that we would do as e-commerce entrepreneurs is setting up our high converting landing pages, our product pages? Well, now we have the AI to do it, and it's called Page Pilot, and it's a really awesome product. I'll even put a 25% off monthly coupon code down below, and it integrates right with your Shopify store. So it's got a bunch of new features now, new layouts. So all you got to do is either paste in an Amazon link, an AliExpress link, or a Shopify link, everyone. And it's super powerful. So when it makes you the page, you can actually choose what layouts you want. So there's a bunch of general store, a beauty store, a gadget store, and you could take a look at like what it would look like. All I got to do is take from like this student right here. This is their product page. And I'm going to take their whole page right here. It's going to bring up their variants, the 1 box, the 3 box, the 4 box. It's going to bring in everything that they have here. And I'll show you how. So this is what the new page looks like. It's loading up right here. This is like if you made it with your own Page Pilot. And like I recommend that you guys make it either with an Amazon link or an AliExpress link. But I like how it brings in the 1 box, the 2 box, the 3 box. So it makes it easy for my students so they could start getting set up right away. Another thing that I like about Page Pilot, it grabs the best photos that it thinks are the best from the page. So it's not just going to put in any photos. It's going to grab the very best and not use the worst photos. And that's what I like about it. It's going to build us a nice FAQ. Is it easy to assemble? What materials? Is it safe for kids? Absolutely. How does it teach money management? This is great FAQ right here, everybody. And here are the reviews. So if you brought this over from Amazon, it's going to bring in all the reviews down there like I've been saying. And another thing is too, everyone, it comes with Facebook ads as well. So if you want to build some really cool Facebook ads, you got these cool ad copy right here. You might want to just remove where it says UK and put USA, or don't put a country at all. But this is really good ad text. Here's good photos. And this is what you can go throw into your Facebook ads with your ad copy. It comes with headlines too and everything, everyone. I hope you really like Page Pilot. But this is how I fly when it comes to adding different products to my website and my collections. Because once you add this product, everyone, you're going to want to add other money-saving products. So let me give you an example. So another money-saving product that we're selling right now on top of this, here's another student of mine. Okay, a bunch of my students are selling different products, but we're all selling very similar. Here's another frequently bought together product right here. So if you want to bring this in, it's very easy when you have Page Pilot. Just bloop. I have a coupon below for the Page Pilot, and I can't wait to see you guys on the inside.